In this video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook profile URL so it becomes shorter and easier for people to find your profile. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then tap Settings and Privacy, and after that tap Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look for the Account Center section and tap on it. Inside this section, tap Profiles, then select your Facebook profile from the list. Now look for the username option and tap on it. This is the part that controls your profile link. Tap the username field and type the new username you want to use. As you type, Facebook will check if the username is available. If the name is already taken, you will need to try a slightly different one. When you find an available username, tap Done or Save to confirm the change. Once the update is completed, your profile URL will automatically change to match the new username. You can now share this new link with others so they can easily visit your profile. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.